Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a soft, fluffy and delicious eggless coconut cake. Perfect for tea time or celebration. Take half cup curd, half cup sugar, whisk until smooth. Coconut is considered a tree of life because every part is useful. Desiccated coconut was first popularized in baking during the 19th century. Always whisk curd and sugar until creamy for a softer cake. Add 1/4 cup butter and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Coconut cakes are traditional in many tropical countries. Now sieve together 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. Sieving dry ingredients make the cake lighter. Now combine dry and wet mixture. Do not overmix after adding flour to keep it fluffy. Now add 1/4 cup milk into the batter. Mix into a smooth batter. Grease a 6-inch mold, line with baking paper. And pour the batter. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Then cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Now cool the cake completely. Spread some jam on top. Cool completely before spreading jam or it will melt. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut. Coconut is a good source of healthy fats. Using curd makes the cake moist without heavy cream. Homemade cakes let you control sugar levels. Coconut adds fiber, aiding digestion. Your soft coconut cake is ready to enjoy. Try this recipe at home and share how it turned out. What's your favorite flavor of cake? Chocolate, vanilla, or coconut? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delightful recipes.